Hey guys, welcome to my Lash Salon tour. In this video, I'll be sharing with you all my tips and tricks that I do for my clients to give it that 5-star service. I'll also be showing where I got all my favourite decor from so you can look amazing too without breaking the bank. So, my salon is based in London, Brixton to be exact. Brixton is like a mini Soho, so it's full of cafes, bars, independent shops. There's great nightlife here. Now, I chose this area as it's super easy to get to from the centre of town. Now, in the salon itself, I've got 3 beds. The chairs are from IKEA and the bins are from Wilko's. Can you believe these copper effect bins were only £25? And these chairs that fit amazingly under the bed are from the children's section of IKEA. Now, my lamps are from Glamcore and they are my favourite. These ones at the end are actually 2 solos, which is all I could afford before I upgraded. Glamcore lights are a bit pricier, but they are so worth it as the light settings really help keep your eyesight healthy. Then I've got some art on the wall. Each year I like to treat myself to some proper art, and there are some fantastic galleries that let you buy proper pieces and pay it off month by month with no extra charges, so you can buy nice artwork for your space without breaking the bank. So my beds are famous for being super comfy, and that is because I have so many layers of stuff. First, I have the heated electric blanket, then I have the duvet mattress topper, and then I have the memory foam. And this is just a large foldable massage bed. So this is my little waiting area. I love to have loads of plants. And I also have my good quality speakers as I like the music I play to sound really good. These are my signs. I have oil-free makeup remover and I sneakily bought a load of these when they were on sale and only £1.50. And I've also got my lash cleansing brushes, my LVL menu, my lash menu. I've actually just changed my lash menu and replaced cat eye with squirrel. I've also done a video detailing the lash maps that I use in the salon, and I'll pop that link below. So my chairs are from Wayfair and I've had these for years and years. Wayfair does awesome chairs that look so much more expensive than they actually are. I mean, how cute is this pink chair? On my coffee table, I have hand cream and books. I like a funny book, and then there's like an inspiring book. I love this inspiring book. It literally has all the answers in it when I'm stuck. And then I have drinks and snacks for my clients. So these snacks are from Lidl's and literally cost nothing. My clients tend to want healthy, low-fat snacks. I used to buy mini donuts, but it was just me that ate them all the time. And in this water is fresh mint and elderflower. I'm super famous for it here. Everyone loves to drink it. And this table's from IKEA. And here's a little bin from Wilko's again. That's my little fan heater, which I like to keep the salon warm with. And here's my little kitchen. It's small but perfectly formed. I've got a nice little slow cooker, microwave, toaster, and in here is my bathroom. So, no cribs would be complete without looking in the fridge. So I've got lots of mini cocktails so I don't have to open a bottle. And then I also have these bottles of Bellinis, which I like to give to clients when they leave me a review. And they are only £3 from Sainsbury's, but they look super pricey and they taste amazing. And I have champagne flutes, stuff like that. I'm quite particular. I like drinks to be served in the right glasses. Literally got martini glasses, champagne saucers. And if you don't have a slow cooker, oh my gosh, you need to get one. They're like £20. You can cook such delicious food just by plugging it in. Got the old veg in there at the moment. So this is my office and this is my stockroom. So this glass cabinet is from Argos. I've just got stuff that's for sale in here. And then I've basically got a bit of a shrine to my son. I'm that cringy mum. I've got a couple of phones. One stays in the salon all the time and one's just for taking pictures. Then I've got my hygrometer, which every artist needs to have so they can make sure that the settings are right for their glues to work. Then I've got the Cringe Child mouse pad, and I treated myself to the bigger desktop computer because I've always wanted one of these. And I do edit my videos on here, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to treat myself. And then we've got the acetone to get rid of any spilt glue. Like, oh my God, we all know that lash glue gets everywhere. And then I have a little dongle for my internet. So there's no setup fees. And if I go away anywhere, I can take it with me, which is like so cool. And then this is my printer. Now this printer is awesome. It doesn't use any ink cartridges. It has just ink bottles that you can fill up, which is so much cheaper, especially for all the aftercare and consent forms that we go through. And this is my inspiration wall. So I made all of these posters myself, and this is my motto: the things you are passionate about are not random, they are your calling. I feel like this is my life. I'm so passionate about building businesses and empowering other women to have their own businesses as well. So I make my posters by using a special printer that prints this special ink, and then it goes into my gold foil machine. Yes, I bought a gold foil machine. I mean, how amazing does that look? And we sell gold foil posters too on our online shop at thelashwholesaler.com. I like to print ones out that remind people to book their appointments. This is our phone when we buzz people in, and our filing cabinet where we store all of our consent forms and clients' info. So it's all safe. We can lock it to comply with regulations. And this is my stock room and the shoes that I bought for work and I never wear. So here we have all of our protein removal wipes. It's such an essential product which I use for every set, and we sell them individually and in boxes of 12 at the Lash Wholesaler. And then we've got all of our lashes. So in the salon we use 0.05, 0.07, 0.085, 0.010 and then 0.015, and they range from 6mm to 13mm. With our flat lashes, they come in B to CC curl, and all of our volume lashes come in C and CC curl. And then we've got Barbicide, micropore tape, tweezers. All of our tweezers are buy free, get one free. And so are our lashes as well. And we've got all different types, and I really think they're affordably priced. Now, this bad boy is a godsend in summer, and it's a dehumidifier and air conditioning unit. It's got the vent that goes out the window, and it was about £200, and it was just one of the best buys I ever bought because I could really control the temperature in the salon, which of course means long retention. And this is a cute mug that my client made me. Now, after COVID struck, I did make some changes to the setup of the salon, and you can see that in this video here.